how to watch old Zoom meeting recording. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can watch old Zoom meeting recording. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up a browser and here type in zoom.us and make sure that you're logged into your Zoom account. So once you're logged into Zoom, if you want to access to your old Zoom recording, from this menu bar on your left hand side, scroll down and you have an option as recording. Click on it. That's gonna take you to your recording page in your Zoom account. And on the recording, you again have various options such as cloud recording, shared with me, and computer recording, and also trash. So if you have saved your recording in the cloud recording, you will have all of your recording under this tab. But in order to access the cloud recording, you must have the Zoom Workplace Pro. If you go to the shared with me tab, you will have all of the recording that was shared with you. And again, if you head towards the computer recording, you will find all of your recording. Here you have the time range that you can choose from, and you have a small notice that says the recordings can only be accessed from the computer on which they were recorded. So if you have recorded from your computer, you have to select the meeting from here, and under this meeting you will find all of your saved recording. Or in case if you have any of the recording in your trash, you could always go to the trash, and here you could also find your recording. So in this way you could find your old Zoom recording. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.